We did comparison of adverbs. Now we are going to do the position of adverbs. And under that, we have about 6 different rules to be followed. The position. When you talk about the position, the correct position of an adverb in a sentence is very important, because a change in the position of the adverb can completely change the meaning of the sentence. So we are doing position of the adverb. Now, like example, if I say, only I know her. Nobody else knows, isn't it? Or if I say, I know only her and nobody else, isn't it? If I say, I know, I only know her. So, looking at the adverb, when you change the adverb in different places, the position, the meaning of the sentence changes. Okay? Position of adverbs. Position of adverbs. Position of adverbs. That's what we are going to look at now. The correct position of an adverb in a sentence is very important. The correct position. Because a change in the position of the adverbs, the meaning of the sentence completely changes. Now, correct position of an adverb in a sentence is important. So, the correct position of an adverb of an adverb in a sentence is very important. It's very important. Because a change in the position, a change in the position of the adverb change the meaning of the sentence. Meaning of the sentence. Look, we are talking about the correct position in an adverb is very, very important. The importance of the position of the adverb we are talking about. Now, any change in the position of the adverb changes the meaning of the complete sentence that we need to look at. Okay, now let's look at some examples I have here for you. Examples. Examples are first one, only I know her. I know her. Okay? Only I know her. Now look up the adverb. Look at the adverb only. Second one. I know. I know only her. Position. Next. I only know her. I only know her. Okay. Now, we are talking about adverbs. The verb only is an adverb, only. Now look at the way it is positioned. Only I know her. Only nobody else knows her. I know only her. I know no one else but her. And the third, I only know her. I just know her, nothing more than that. So, thus we see the meaning of the three sentences change when we shifted the position of the adverb only. Look at the adverb only. We are talking about the adverb only. We have the adverb only. And we are shifting position, and in every case we have a different meaning. Only is the adverb. I know her. Nobody else knows her. I know only her. Nobody else. I only know her. When the adverb is placed differently, the correct position of an adverb in a sentence is very important. In every sentence, it is correct. But because a change in the position of the adverb, change in the meaning of the three sentences occurs. Okay, now I want you to look at one more. Here I have one more. Only she only she lent us a rupee. Okay? And the next sentence we have, she only lent us a rupee. And the next we have, she lent only us a rupee. Us a rupee. Then finally, we can say, she lent us. She lent us. She lent us only a rupee. Again, we are looking at the adverb in position. Only. We are talking about only adverb. Okay? We are looking at the adverb only, the positioning of the adverb. Now, here it says, only she lent us a rupee. She only lent us a rupee. She lent only us a rupee. she lent us only a rupee. Now in the 4 different sentences, in all these 4 sentences, only is positioned. The adverb only is positioned differently. In every one, the meaning is different. Now let's look at it carefully. Only she lent us a rupee. She and nobody else. She lent us a rupee. Only she and nobody else. That's the meaning in the first sentence. In the second sentence, it says, she only lent us a rupee. That means she did not give away. She did not give away. She only lent us a rupee. But that is, she did not give away. Lend. Third one, she says, she lent us only, she only lent us a rupee. That means to us and to nobody else. Finally, she lent us only a rupee. A rupee and nothing more. She lent us only what? 1 rupee and nothing more. In all the 4 sentences, the positioning of the adverb only is different. Therefore, the meaning of each of the sentences vary. Here, again, only I know her. Nobody else knows her. I know only her. In this place, I know only her. And finally, I only know her. Only me and nobody else. So, according to the rule here, the correct position of an adverb in a sentence is very important. But change in the position of the adverb changes also the meaning of the sentence accordingly. So in these 2 examples here, 2 sets of sentences with only, it tells you what? Because adverb only keep changing position, the meaning of the sentence keep changing.